Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a line graph, and I'm going to show you examples from two different data sets on how to do it. So this data set is the cost of Thanksgiving dinner. Of course, you can find this going into the Browse tab up here, clicking data sets and searching. But I'm already at this data set. So the icon you're going to want to use is right here. This one that looks like a little scatter plot is the one you want. And let me add a variable first. I'll add nominal cost of Thanksgiving dinner. And you can see each dot is a different year's worth of data. And I'm going to go ahead and add year on my x-axis. And I've got this plot. This option right here is what turns it into a line graph where you see connect the dots or connect dots. And I just check the checkbox and it will connect those dots. Just a word of caution, and you can read this for yourself if you hover on the question mark. This is going to work if it's a progression over time and x is a numeric, so it's already ordered. If x is a categorical, you can still make a line graph, but you need to make sure that those variables are ordered in the right order. That's how you make a line graph. Okay, let me show you a different example. So I'm going to go up to Browse tab. I'm going to go to Data Sets. We'll discard these changes. And I'm going to search for this flatten the curve data set, which is showing you data from the 1918 flu pandemic. I'm going to go to make a graph. You're following me here. I'm moving quickly, but I want to get back to making another line graph. So if I plot this death rate per 100,000 people, we can see that gets plotted over here. And then on X, I'm going to add days since September 14th, 1918. And you can see these points spreading out. Now, I want to tell you, these data were collected from two different cities. And that variable city is listed up here. But before I add that, I want to show you, if I don't add that and I put this connect the dots function on, so I click this, it's going to give me nonsense, right? So it gives me a graph that looks like this. This doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. This is not the line graph that you're looking for. What you want to, in fact, know is how this trend in death rate changed over time during this pandemic, but you really want to see this split out by city. So over here, I'm going to add show for city, and it's grayed out right here, but I'm going to click Z, so this will tell my line graph to group by city. So I click that. And now you can see the data is grouped by city. We have a green line showing you the data from Philadelphia. We have a red line showing you the data from St. Louis. And you can clearly see the two different patterns over time for those two cities. So that's it, two examples of how to make a line graph. I would recommend either checking out that Thanksgiving dinner cost exercise or the flatten the curve exercise. And I will share links for both of those. Thanks.